show you this. Welcome everyone. This is a real estate landing page built with the help of React and CSS. So this is absolutely beginner friendly, and let me show you. When I refresh the page, you get to see animations and this count effect. So let me reload the page once again. When I refresh this, you can see this moving, this layout, and also this count of animation. Is cool, right? So not only this, let's scroll down. This image carousels is pretty decent and neat. When I click here, right, it is so smooth. It's pretty much neat, and this is used with the help of npm package called Swiper.js. So, and here we have the drop down, and when I click here, some information get displayed, and some more like this. This is called accordion, right? So, and here are some portions. When I hover, it pop up with some nice animations and buttons, right? Okay, and lastly, the footer section with some button. And not only this, it is also clean design along with responsiveness. So let me show you how responsive it is. So when I hit inspect, okay, when I hit inspect, we can see here everything. The here tab, especially the tab here, is now here with some animation, incoming and exiting. Some animations is a nice design, nice look, and also the text and images are laid out in a perfect way. So if you want to learn responsive design and with the basic knowledge of HTML, CSS, and are you willing to migrate into React, so this is a perfect way. So you can just check it out, the source code link in description box, and without delay you can clone your own and create your own. The source code will be linked in description box along with the live version of the site. So this was today's session of Project Showcase. Enjoy your day.